Hey there guys, in this video we're going to have a look at introducing multiplication. I'm going to show you a few things about how we do multiplication, what we use it for, and how we can connect addition with multiplication. Before you start multiplication, it's a good idea to have a bit of an idea of how addition works and be able to add up some small numbers reasonably easily. If you need some more help with that, I'll put some links in the description that will help you to build those skills. But I will assume for this video that we already know how to do that. So here we've got some frogs. Okay, so we've got one group here, one group here, one group here, and one group here. One way we could work out the total of this is by using addition. So we could write 3 for the first group plus 3 for the second group plus 3 for the third group plus 3 for the fourth group. We add those up, we've got 3 plus 3 is 6, plus another 3 is 9, plus another 3 is 12. Another way we could write that is 4 groups of 3 is also going to be 12. I highly recommend you use this word groups of when we start to use multiplication, because this really helps us understand what we're actually talking about. And this symbol here, times, means pretty much the same thing as groups of. So we could write 4 times 3, means 4 groups of 3 is 12. This here is the relationship between multiplication and addition. We can use one to help us solve the other. Let's have a look at another one. Here we have some Australian $1 coins with a cute little kangaroo on them. And we've got, as you can see, we've got 3 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so I'm just going to put, just so we can really see it, that's going to be one group. That's another group there. And one more group. To work out how many dollars we've got, we could write 5 plus 5 plus 5. Since we're pretty good with our addition now, we know 5 plus 5 is going to be 10, plus another 5 is going to be 15. And because of this connection between addition and multiplication, we could also say that we've got 3 groups of 5 is equal to 15. And we could say 3 times by 5 is also equal to 15. Is that pretty straightforward? So now without the diagrams, we're going to have a go at going from addition to multiplication. So up here we've got 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 16. So they've given us this one. We don't even have to add it up. So if we've got 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, we've got how many groups of 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we could write 4 times 4 groups of 4 is also equal to 16. In the next one, we've got 1 group of 9, 2 groups of 9, 3 groups of 9 is 27. So we could write 3 groups of 9 is equal to 27. And in this last one here, I've got 1 group of 7, 2 groups of 7, 3 groups of 7, 4 groups of 7, 5 groups of 7 is equal to 35. So we could write 5 groups of 7 is equal to 35. On this last activity, we're going to just go back the other way. So this time they've given us the multiplication and they've given us also the answer. But if we didn't have the answer, we could solve it with addition. So we could go, it says 5 groups of 9 is equal to 45. So we could write it another way, 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 is equal to 45. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 9, giving us a total of 45. In this one here, we've got 3 groups of 7 is equal to 21. So we could write 7 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to 21. And in this last one here, we've got 5 groups of 2 is equal to 10. So we could write that as 1 group of 2 plus 2 groups of 2 plus 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups of 2. And if we added them up, of course, we'd have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Doing some of these activities is just a really good way to start to understand the relationship between addition and multiplication and how we can use one to help us solve the other. Thanks very much for watching. I'm going to put a link with some other videos in the description, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.